laser marking demonstration on large format by hand laser from traditional patchwork solutions to a linked approach. Traditional fixed table large format laser marking and XY-axis moving patchwork marking solutions still have certain drawbacks in terms of maximum processing area, uniform distribution of beam energy, and seamless continuity in marked patches. Hence, laser's latest linked large format laser marking solution, combined with a linear motor platform, can preliminarily replace traditional patchwork approaches. The size of the marking area is determined by the travel range of the linear motor platform, while ensuring better uniformity in the distribution of laser beam energy. This not only serves for marking processes, but also has the potential to be extended in the future to applications such as hardening, annealing, wire drawing, and other scenarios where a laser path that follows and adheres to the product contour is required.